Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. One of the major attractions which would be showcased during Aero India 2021 is the most awaited twin-engine deck-based fighter model. As per the sources, work on this particular fighter, which will operate from Indian Navy's current and future aircraft carriers, is on track and is being given utmost importance. The main reason for coming up with this twin-engine deck-based fighter is to replace the aging and problematic Russian origin MiG-29K fighters. Even though Indian Navy has plans to procure 36 carrier-based aircrafts via a separate tender, the twin-engine deck-based fighter is very vital too. As per the images provided by Vayu Aerospace and Defense Review, we can see some important design changes and improvements. This is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So let us quickly see some of the design changes seen in the twin-engine deck-based fighter 2.0. The first update is regarding the canards. A small wing-like projection attached to an aircraft forward of the main wing to provide extra stability or control is called as the canards. The LCA Mark II fighter will feature a closed coupled canard configuration and is also adapted for the twin-engine deck-based fighters. Second one in the list is the larger fuselage fuel tanks. The upcoming fighter for Indian Navy will feature a fixed upper fuselage fuel tank on either side of its central spine that will play the role of conformal fuel tanks, which will not be removable. This would help to add range and also helps in decreasing the drag and overall signature of the fighter. The third one is about the tail hook. The twin-engine deck-based fighter will have a tail hook attached to the rear of the fuselage for rapid stop post-landing aboard the aircraft carriers, and this is obviously a vital requirement for a fighter to be used by Indian Navy. Another major feature for any fighter which will operate on aircraft carriers is the wing folding mechanism, and obviously we noticed the same in the model released. The wing folding mechanism feature will help in saving space while parking the fighters and also while doing repairs. The next one to mention is about the diverterless supersonic inlet. This is very vital for any fighter since it helps a modern combat aircraft to control the airflow into their engines. It also increases the fighter's performance. Last one to mention is the leading edge extension. The leading edge extension is a small extension to an aircraft wing surface which helps to improve the airflow at high angles of attack and also at low air speeds, and this improves the handling and delays the stall. So that was a quick update on the upcoming twin-engine deck-based fighter model details. Hope this fighter takes its first flight at the earliest and helps Indian Navy to fill the depleting strength and also helps in replacing the MiG-29K. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.